Hi everyone, we're going to go through with another mind tap exercise. This is on lesson 3, one of the Python exercises. I just opened one. Click start assignment using flowcharts and pseudocode in Python. So check your graded items folder. I actually provided for the solution already, but I hope this helps for going through the lines line per line. This is very similar to what I have for what I had for the other video, and this is just going to show you the syntax of Python. Okay, I would say the same process. You need to have an interactive input um, from the user. Either they are being accepted or rejected based on their test scores, and of course for the class rank. Okay, so you need to have a test score string mentioned in there, and you need to have what? Class rank string. Okay, so that is provided for you. Okay, and the rest of the other instruction. I'm going to go ahead and take a look. So notice in here, those double quotes, they are part of the description, what the program is all about. Okay, um, this line 8 would give you a comment. It's on gray. Python is quite different when it comes to that because of the syntax itself. So on C++, you would see a slash slash. So let's have this done. Get input and convert the correct data type for test score and class rank. Okay, because it's showing in here that it should be test score string. So let's do test score string input enter students test score, and on the next line I would have test score equals int test score string. I would put close. I think I accidentally removed it. I would have class rank string input enter enter students class rank. I would have class rank int class rank string. Okay, so that should be part of. I have an extra here. So I think I've finished putting some of the correct data types in here. This was the suggestion to be able to get the test score. Int is just showing that I'm going to get this value and store it as a whole number into the test score. Okay, and another one is the test, or should I say class rank. So same goes with this part. This is already done. But notice the difference on Python. You need to put a colon for each of the condition. So that is just something different for that. And for the most part, have you noticed I did not put a semicolon? So it does not require that symbol for Python. Indentation is also a big deal. At least for me, I mean, it would be better, to be honest, if you have those body to be indented, and when it comes to Python, it's always needed for that. Even the else part here, notice there is a column for that, but on C++ you did not put in. Lastly, braces are not required here. As compared to the first video that I did, you would see that you have, it's a nested one, but you have multiple braces to kind of separate your different conditions for that. I'm going to play or run my program. You would see it here in the terminal. It's saying enter student test score. Let me follow what is suggested here. I would put 87. I would press enter, and look at that. Okay, I've got an error in here that on line 10, it says in module test score string is not defined. What is going on? So that is line 10. What is line 10? Test score. Okay, now this can be quite tricky because if you can see, I can see right away. It says here that the test score string is not defined. But I did, but you see, there's a difference because I accidentally typed it as a small letter S. And I'm using it here in line 10 as a capital S. So what I'm going to do is to fix that to match with my variables, to match it with what I'm expecting to input later. Let's see if that fixed the issue. 87, yeah, that's right. So it lets me enter the rank. Let's say the rank is 26. Then I have reject. Why reject? Because this has to be a higher number. If it's 90 and above, it's going to have accept because my rank here is 26. Now I could run again. Let's say I would have, let's say 72, and let's say my rank is, let's say 76. This one is accepted. It goes directly on this if condition. I'm going to prove that this is running 100%. Okay, sometimes it doesn't, but for the most part, if you see that run fully, accepting, click run checks. This should be green. Okay. I have 100%, but if this one is red, or sometimes it's just a round symbol, that means you have quite a few things that you need to fix. Click the arrow signs to go inside and run again, or run checks, so it goes side by side. And once you hit 100, click that, confirm, and end of demonstration. I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to hit submit and confirm so it goes directly to the gradebook.